Hi guys, this is Jarrell. In this video, I'm showing you how to put a bullet on your Microsoft Word. Now, first thing you have to do is you can type in any name, like say my name, and then click this button on the top part of the Microsoft Word, like that. Now you can tap in Enter to bullet another word. Yeah, let's try it. Like say my name, another name, same drill. Now, alternatively, you can also um, put in an asterisk instead, and then hit on space. Now, by doing so, that would also put a bullet on Microsoft Word. You can type in any any word that you would like. Same drill, just like what we did earlier, and tap enter on the same thing. You can also do that. Now guys, that is how you put a bullet on or make a bullet list on Microsoft Word. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.